There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Oh my goodness, are you just seeing my channel for the first time? Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment and share. It is very important to your baby girl. And if you want to be the first to be notified of my new video, please do hit the notification bell. Whenever I upload new video, she will be the first to be notified. And for my returning subscribers, oh my goodness, thank you so much guys. Thank you for always coming back to support me. You guys are so amazing and I love you all so much. And if you are new to my channel and you subscribe right now, may God Almighty continue to bless you all. And you are welcome to my channel. Oh my God. So guys, today oh my God, I love this hair so much guys. I love this hair. I love it. Oh my goodness, do you want to know where this hair is coming from? Oh my God, Forever Hair on Amazon. And if you want to have this hair for yourself, rush down to my description box right now, click the link below and it will take you straight to our store on Amazon. Trust me, oh my God, we have different kind of hair, different kind of dreadlock, oh goddess braid, everything. Oh my goodness, just go there guys and you will thank me later. You know sexy sass. Yes, you will thank me later. Just go straight to my description box, click that link below and it will take you straight to Forever Hair or Amazon. Oh my God, shop for yourself, spend your money for yourself. Okay guys, so as you can see, this hair is so beautiful. You need to shop for yourself. Yes, you need to have this hair for yourself. Oh my goodness, actually this is 30 inches guys. Oh my God, I love this hair so much. Just look at it. This is 30 inches. If you don't like long hair, we also have 14 inches, any type of inches you want. Okay, we have it 16, 20 we have, but this is 13 inches. You know I love long hair and I also love short hair. Okay, so that is just it. And we also have different color of this hair guys. Okay, if you don't like this color, we have other color like red, black, white, anyone you want from this hair guys. Just click the link below. Okay, click the link below and you will also get 15% off. Okay, when you shop with us, we are going to give you 15% off. So that is it guys. Oh my goodness, I love this hair so much. I love the color. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. So guys, rush down to my description box and have this hair for yourself and you will also get 15% off. That is it guys. You can actually pack it any style you want. Okay guys, thank you so much for always supporting me. I really love you all so much. So if you want to know how this hair was done, please do watch my video to the end and see you on my next video. Bye. Hello everybody. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy to be here today again with another beautiful hair. Oh my God, this hair is from Forever Hair on Amazon. You can see the package. Oh my goodness, thank you so much Forever Hair. You guys are so amazing. Thank you for this beautiful gift. So guys, as you can see, this beautiful hair, this is 30 inches guys, 30 inches. Okay, so you have to have this hair for yourself. As you can see, so beautiful. I also have this, it came with the hair, you know. So that is just it guys, and right now I'm going to start working with it. Okay, let's get into it. Okay, so let me use this opportunity to thank all my subscribers. Thank you so much guys. Thank you for your support. Thank you for everything, you know. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you all. And if you are new to my channel, oh my goodness, this is your Celsius. You are welcome to this very channel. Oh my god. So as you can see, it's very easy to work with. You know, I really do love this so much. The color, oh my goodness, oh my god, it really matched my skin. How do I put the word my color? Okay, you see. So that is just it, guys. So rush down to my description box to have this for yourself. If you decide to order this guys, you are going to be having 15% off. Trust me. Okay, the hair is very cheap and it's not expensive at all. So with 15%, you know, it will be more cheaper. So trust me on this and just dive right into my description box. Click the link below and order this for yourself. If you don't want 30 inches, you can actually get any inches of your choice. You know, we have different kind of inches, guys. Oh my goodness, I love this set so much. You know, seeing this this package, I was kind of, oh my god, why do I have to choose this color? Do you think it's going to be good for me? But at the end of it, oh my goodness, I really love this color, guys. It's something else. Oh my goodness, I really do love the color. So that is just it, guys. You need to order this for yourself. You know, you are going to thank me later. Trust me, you will thank me later. You all know Celsius. I don't joke when it comes to beauty. I don't joke with it, guys. You know, so go there, shop for yourself, and come back to thank me. Yeah, come back to thank me, guys. I really love this. You know, doing it was so fast. I was even enjoying doing this. You know, it's not like other of my hair. You know, it really takes time to do, but this very one, it was just about 30 minutes to 45 minutes. It was really okay. As you can see, it's very full, and if you don't want it to be full, you can actually use how many packets you want. Okay, that is just it, guys. I really love this so much. It makes my skin to look more bright. Oh my goodness. So go right now, shop for yourself. You all know I always try my best to do this voice over. It's not really my thing, guys, but I always try my best to do it. So you all know I don't have hair on my front hair. You know, I don't know how to put the word, so I'm just trying to bring little baby arts, you know, a baby hair out. Don't mind me this afternoon, I'm a bit tired. Okay, so that is just it, guys. So shop for yourself, and you will thank me later. The end is so beautiful. Oh my goodness, just look at it. So beautiful, guys. So don't miss out all the hair I've been doing review on. They are so beautiful. I love them so much. You know, I love them, and the company, they are doing a great job. Okay, so that's just it, guys. I really do love this hair. So you are going to be seeing how long it is. You know, I think I showed that part. So let's see. It's really long, you know, 30 inches. Oh my goodness, it's really long, guys. I love it. I really rock this hair. I rock it. You know, so as you can see, this is it, guys. You see, it's so long, so I have to shift back. Okay, so you see, it's so long and beautiful, guys. It's very long and beautiful. So if you don't like this long one, don't worry yourself, go for the short one. We have 14 inches. So that is all. Okay, see you on my next video, and bye.
When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see